The Montana Hip and Knee Center, a division of Ortho Montana, specializes in the diagnosis and treatment of arthritic hip and knee disorders. We provide the highest standard of care, service, and experience to our joint replacement patients. Our goal is to make each joint replacement as smooth and stress-free for the patient as possible, from the first visit to complete recovery. Our focus on quality outcomes is one of the many reasons for our industry-leading patient satisfaction scores.
I felt comfortable the whole time. The staff was great, the nurses were great, the recovery was good. I can't say enough about how pleased I was with the whole procedure. I am really thankful for Ortho Montana and Dr. Groover. I really feel like going through this procedure has given me my life back.
The Montana Hip and Knee Center has the most qualified and experienced surgeons, combined with state-of-the-art surgical technology. These two areas are vital in our endeavor to consistently provide patients with successful, life-changing surgeries. Our medical team is comprised of 3 leading fellowship-trained surgeons: Dr. Zach Shear, Dr. Michael Groover, and Dr. Charlie Krellen.
So I came to Montana Hip and Knee Center, and I had both hips replaced. I never felt like I was just rushed in and rushed out. It was hands-on the whole time, and they made it, I hate to say easy, but they made it pretty easy.
I was able to do the knee replacements both here on site. I was able to come in the morning at 9:30, had surgery at 10:30, and walked out at 5:30. And when you get your knees done and that time that you go, it doesn't hurt. I can get up, I can go up and down the stairs. That's the biggest thing about it all is that you end up elated.
We are honored to serve you and look forward to partnering with you to get you back to a more active life with less pain. Call 406-237-5050 to schedule your initial exam.